Ding, ding, ding. Hello, is this the Guru residence? Is this an orphanage? We're coming to do an inspection, but you're out there looking for plutonium. Plutonium? People with the most damage go first.
Ding, ding, ding.
You're mixing your orange juice with my coffee?
Mm-hmm.
Is it gonna taste really good?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Can you cream it?
You want me to drink it?
Uh-huh.
Okay, you ready?
Why do you want him to drink it? He put orange juice in it, but I don't know why he's drinking it.
Oh, that's a bad idea, Mr. Inventor. Orange flavored coffee is gross.
I know. Orange flavored coffee is gross.